How to play music on Spotify offline. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can play music on Spotify offline. It's pretty quick and simple, so let me guide you. What you want to do is open up the Spotify app. Now remember that you'll need to have a premium account to be able to play music offline on Spotify. You can head into premium option that you can find at the bottom of your screen. At the bottom right corner you can see premium option and you can choose any plan here and then you can get through. Now once you take the premium, what you want to do is head into the album that you want to listen to offline, and here once you open the album you'll find the little download option. You can see the circle with the download arrow beside the heart icon at the middle of the screen. Simply tap on it and it'll ask you if you have the premium. It won't ask you if you don't have premium, it'll ask you to get the premium. As I said before, you need premium, and once you download it, it'll get downloaded all the songs in the album. Now if you want to play offline, what you can do is simply open up the app and head into your library, and then your downloads will be available there, your album, and then you can simply tap on it and play it and listen to it. So this way you can play music on Spotify offline. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.